Ayan, nahanap na ng ating fan dito si Thomas ng ang totoong pangalan nitong si Jaja. Aliyah.
Ang ganda, no?
Aliyah Santiago. Sino nga ba nagsabi sa akin? Dahil sinurin yata yun dati. Bawal daw sa bahay nila yung, yung electric pan na nasa kisha na nakakape.
Pugot.
Pagising mo sa umaga. Naunat ka lang ng kote na wala ka ng daliri.
Napatalo ka lang sa saya, eh.
Yun na nga, eh. 16-15 right now. Arellano still up by 1, but they're trailing 2 sets to nothing as Sagon
Net
not
block
get it
for
across.
her.
Yeah. Tied at 16. Aiko Urdas, kanina pa 100 miles an hour takbo nito si Urdas. Or probably auditioning for that spot of Kai Nepomuceno next season. Tikar. Nene. Did she get it? Yes, she did.
Yup, clipping the line and really risking it. Ito yung kailangan mo, eh. Kung NU ang kalaban, you will just have to risk those yung
aggressive moves na
paliliit
ganyan.
na espasyo na pwede. Otherwise, you know that the block is going to be there.
Good reflexes there by Urdas. Pablo kept alive. Here's Sagun. Now they go to Dindin. And Jaja made sure that Tikar would not recover it.
And yan ang arsenal, no, na pinapakita sa atin ngayon ng National University. Even si Dindin Santiago, kahit nandyan na si Jaja sa harap, meron pa ring back row attack. Present pa rin yung threat na yan.
But now it's Jaja who is serving. Dindin now in front. 6'4". Jaja Santiago with a service ace. Ilang taon lang to? 18? 18, 17. Nakita ko na naman si Andre Muli. May ano siya eh, maganda yung sinasabi niya sa mga matatangkad.
Oh, pang binibining Pilipinas daw.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yan na mo.
Pwede.
Substitution here. We have Legacion coming in for Salamagos.
Kasi hindi na kailangan mag-heels, di ba? Hindi na kailangan mag-heels. So, talaga.
Hindi, alam mo si Ann, naiinitan lang
Saka
yan.
nakakita, sige, na sumali doon na naka-flats. Oh.
Ganon, ha?
Oh, yan pa lang.
Si Ann, mahilig yan sa mga ganon, mga 4-inch heels.
Dindin Santiago now. Once again, kahit na nakatabingin yung katawan, still getting the point.
Iba talaga, mahaba talaga. But
yan,
still, this is too close for NU, ha?
Alam mo, si Sago, not bad of a game. 8 attack points. For 17, 3 lang ang fault.
Right.
Ang faults, di ba? So,
Nene Bautista, yan ang kailangan magising para sa Arellano.
yan ang in-expect. Well, again, it's the blending, it's yung bagong surroundings para sa kanila. At yung bagong muka sa tabi mo, di ba?
Right.
Although sila Nene nga. Although si Nene, naging matagal na guest player yan ng Adamson, di ba?
Adamson and also played for the Philippine Navy. 2019. Lamang na naman po ang Arellano rito. Nerissa Bautista again. De Leon. Running attack there from Dindin Santiago.
And making it look so easy. And, parang ang dali ng volleyball.
Magkakaroon ng bukol dito si Elaine Sagon kung hindi niya naitaas yung kanyang kamay. Point.
And si Dindin Santiago now, 13 attack points, 2 block points, and a serve with 16 points total.
Nice dig there from Pablo. Urdas. Turned back by Balse. Dadang across again. That's the second time that's happened to Seaman Dadang. Nalipad siya sa kabila.
Kailangan ng bagong brake pads.
Maingay na ba? May amoy na ba pag pumipreno ka?
Grabe ka naman.
Yun talaga, gasgas na yun. Bakal sa bakal na yun. 21-20.
Jen Reyes once again.
From out of nowhere. No support for Balse.
Mataas pa yung bola na, but no coverage.
Walang libero
nangangapa pa talaga. Yan ang mahirap. Nangangapa pa silang lahat sa position
to
nila.
go without a libero right now. Inutupunan ng
Which
Arellano.
means, dapat lahat aware, di ba?
Right.
Urdas now, 11 points. Pablo with 10. Jaja. Aliyah ba yung sabi mo?
Si Aliyah.
Aliyah with 9 points now.
Sakit na. May ginawa siguro si Jaja sa bahay kanina. Binawian ni Dindi. 22-21.
Saya na pag magkapatid ka.
Oo.
Pag uwi niyo sigurado may mga away.
Ayan.
Santiago.
22 all as Jaja scores. And General will come back in to serve. Placing Seaman Dadang.
Well, in the side of the Chiefs, it's 11 points for Balse. Bautista with 9. Sagun with 8.
Let's see if General can get it done. Ticar. Osorio. And that clock goes out. So a point for Arellano. 2 points away from sending us to a fourth set. And now the crowd, alam mo naman Pilipino, mahilig sa underdog. Dana Henson. General on the reception. Here's Myla Pablo.
Came flying in.
Tied at 23. Ito, patibayan na ng dibdib ito mangyayari dito.
That's right.
Salamagos now. Additional height up front.
That's what they
Legason
need.
sits. Yep.
With Pablo and Santiago in front.
Here's Ticar. Going to Nene. Set back by Jaja. Nene, one more time. Yes!
There was no blocker at all on the side of the Lady Bulldogs that time. Kaya naman napakadali kay Nene Bautista.
And even the speed of Jen Reyes could not get there in time. Set point for the Lady Chiefs. Elaine Sagon serving. Here's Myla Pablo. Bautista! We are heading to a fourth set. What a come-from-behind win here in set number 3 para sa Arellano University. Inunti-unti nila yun, Mosi.
Pinagtsagaan. Yan ang totoong yan ang tamang word dyan eh. Pinagtsagaan, inunti-unti, hindi nga natin naramdaman eh.
Pero masamang balita para sa inyo, gising na si Nene Bautista with our Shake, Eat, Shake and Play.